In this video, let us learn about VUL. What is a VUL? VUL means Variable Universal Life or Variable Unit Linked Insurance. Simply, it is life insurance with investment. What are the benefits of a VUL? It is a 2-in-1 financial plan. You can get yourself financially protected through insurance with guaranteed benefits, and you can grow your money through investments in mutual funds. Here are the guaranteed insurance benefits you can get. Life insurance. In the event of death, your family will get the cash benefit equal to your plan's face amount. The amount can be used to help your family in their daily expenses and to ensure that they can still fulfill the dreams you have planned together. Accidental death benefit. One of the unforeseen events in life is accident. With an accidental death benefit, you can maximize your protection for your income and for your family. Disability coverage. Due to an accident or illness, when you get disabled or when you can no longer work, you can claim this benefit which can help you in your finances. Critical illness benefit. Upon diagnosis or undergoing of any covered critical illnesses and surgeries, you can get a lump sum cash benefit which you can use to pay for costly treatment and hospital bills or in any way you want. Lastly, hospital income benefit. When you get hospitalized due to any illness or injury, you can have this daily hospitalization allowance to help you pay the treatment and hospital bills and replace the income you have lost when you get hospitalized or confined. Now, you will also be investing in various securities depending on the investment objective of the fund you chose. So you can choose money market funds, which invest purely in short-term, 1 year or less debt instruments, bond funds, which invest in long-term debt instruments of government or corporations, balanced funds, which invest both in debt instruments and shares of stock, or stock and equity funds, which primarily invest in shares of stock. Now, depending on your risk appetite, a financial advisor can help you decide which fund to place your money in. We all know with investments, you can grow your money as it earns potential interest over time. Another benefit of a VUL is that it provides regular savings. So in exchange for life insurance and investment benefit, you pay for a premium to the insurance company. For regular pay VULs, the mode of payment can be monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. With a VUL plan, you create a habit of saving. With a small amount of savings per month, you can get adequate protection. At the same time, you can have access to invest in stocks and bonds market. So VUL is basically not an expense on your part. This is the best savings tool or plan to help you get started to save for your life goals. VUL also offers flexible premiums. In VUL, you have the option of putting in money more than the regular premium, so any amount in excess of the regular premium becomes additional investment or top-up. In effect, the fund value accumulates faster for the policyholder. This is great if you are looking for investment options for your bonuses. Now, VUL also offers liquidity. When you have a VUL policy, you can access the fund value anytime. For example, in case of emergency or a financial need, you can withdraw your funds without any interest. As long as there is enough fund to cover the charges, a VUL policy will not lapse and you can keep yourself protected. VUL can also be used as an estate tax shield. When you die, all your properties and money in the bank all become part of your estate and are subject to estate taxes. Hence, the money that you have in banks and other investment vehicles are frozen and your family cannot touch it until they pay the dues. Money in VUL are somewhat protected since it is attached to a life insurance vehicle. The proceeds from a life insurance are generally exempt from taxes. So VUL plans can help you leave your wealth intact and not reduced by tax. Lastly, with VUL, you can have funds for your future needs. With VUL, your money is wisely invested to reach your goals or objectives, whether it is to start your own business, getting your dream home, paying for your child's education, or enjoying your golden years in retirement. Now, all of this you can achieve while staying safe and protected.